Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Figma how to change font size. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to change font size in Figma, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar, type in figma.com. Then once you are inside the home page or home screen of the Figma, select the project that you want to edit on. Then once you have selected the project, in order to change the text size, what you need to do is select the text that you want. And once you have selected the text, here what you need to do is first increase the box size, which will let you to increase the text size as well. Or you can just simply double tap on the text and press Ctrl plus Shift and plus greater than arrow on your keyboard, and that will let you increase the font size. You can also increase the font size by going to the right hand side toolbar, and on the typography you'll find an option right beside the font size, and here all you gotta do is select the font size and you can change the font size according to your preference. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down any questions that you have, and I'll see you soon on the next one.